You are going to love the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.